Welcome to learning session, my dear students. Already we have seen about creating a new file or folder, renaming a file or folder, deleting a file or folder, modes of views, and how to creating a shortcut throughout the videos. Now let's revise all book backside exercise. First page number 24. Explain the different modes of view in the exploring window. First one, content. What about content? Content, it arrange all files and folders in separate rows with detailed information on date, author, last modified size and length of files. Next, list. It makes a file. It makes a list of all the files and folders, display them as small icons. List. It makes a list of all the files and folders, display them as small icons. Details. Details. A list of all the files are shown as a small icons list, files and folders in different columns with date, type, size and rating. Details. A list of all the files are shown as small icons list, files and folders in different columns with date, type, size and rating. Tiles. It displays files and folders as medium icons along with information about their size and types. It displays files and folders as medium icons along with the information about their size and types. Medium icons. It displays icons that are smaller than large icons. It displays icons that are smaller than large icons. Next, answer the following questions. First one, what are the two panes of the Explorer window? What are the two panes of the Explorer window? The two panes of the Explorer window, left pane, then right pane. Left pane, right pane. Next one, what are libraries? Then how can you create your own libraries? Two questions are here. What are libraries? Then how can you create your own libraries? First question, what are libraries? So this question's answer, libraries manage all the content of one type in single folder. Libraries manage all content of one types in single folder. Next question, how can you create your own libraries? How can you create your own libraries? Answer, first step, right click on the libraries, next point to new option, next click library. So these are the steps to create own library. Next, third one, how can you delete a file or folder? To delete a file or folder, first click on the file or folder to be deleted. Whatever file or folder have to delete, just click on that file or folder first. Next, click on Organize menu. In that Organize menu, we can see Delete option. So just click on that option. When you click on that option, your selected file or folder will be deleted. Next, fourth one, name the different modes of views. Name the different modes of view. Different modes of view are there. Let's see one by one name. First one, extra large icons. Then large icons, medium icons, small icons, list icons, tiles, details, content. So extra large icons, medium icons, small icons, list icons, tiles, details, then content. So all the icons, what about the extra large icon, how to look large icon, medium icons, everything I have explained in the video, isn't it? Next, what is shortcut? What is a shortcut? So a shortcut is an icon or a link to a program or a file or folder in a computer. Right. A shortcut is an icon or a link to a program or a file or folder in a computer. Next, sixth one, name some default libraries in Windows 7. Documents, pictures, music, videos. So documents, pictures, music, videos, these all are the folders. These folders are available in libraries folders always. So whenever you open libraries folder, you can see these are all the folders under the library folders. So documents, pictures, music, videos, these all the folders are default in the libraries in Windows 7. So name some default libraries in Windows 7. Documents, documents, pictures, music, videos. True or false? First sentence, you cannot create your own library. You cannot create your own library. Sentence is false. Sentence is wrong because we can create our own library. We can create, but they given you cannot create. So this sentence is wrong. So answer is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Next, Windows 7 is the most popular operating system. So which one is the most popular operating system? Windows 7, right? So Windows 7 is the most popular operating system. Sentence is right sentence. So answer is true. T-R-U-E, true. Next, you can view the content of any folder in the left pane of the Windows Explorer by double clicking on the item. So you can view the content of any folder in the left pane of the Windows 7. This sentence is wrong. So because we can view the content of any folder in the right pane of the Windows 7, Windows Explorer. So they given left pane. So this sentence is wrong. So answer is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Next, Windows Explorer is also known as File Explorer. Yes. So this sentence is right sentence. Windows Explorer is also known as File Explorer. So true. Answer is true. T-R-U-E, true. Last one, you can create more than 2 folders. Yes, we can create more than 2 folders. However folders want to create, you can create. So you can create more than 1 folders. This sentence is right sentence. So answer true. True.